Alright guys, a little quick video on replacing the shift knob. This one's really worn out. Quick video. It's easy to remove, it's just tabs. Take off the car, and then it's this one-time use clip. So what you do is remove the clip. Push it through, there's a collar. Your shifter will come through on the other side. Here's your shifter. And here's your metal sleeve. And here's your shifter. You might want to clean that up before we put it in. Okay. Put your hand inside the boot and just rub it in. You want to soften up the leather with these cleaners. There. Alright. Okay. So now it's clean. Clean, soft, ready for reassembly. So I just bought a cheap shift knob that's not worn out online. So it comes with its own collar. So we know that the collar fits in like so. And there, it's all the way up. And then this fits in here. Okay. Okay. Same idea. The collar goes down here. Okay, so maybe when we reverse it, keep your finger in here. Why did that happen? You still want to remove that? Okay. Came with one more. So this comes with a clip as well. So this clip goes here. Same thing, you press it. So what I've done is put that in there. I actually have a set of good, these are proper pliers to do this job. So what we'll do is that's it. And now let's go see if it's on the car. Alright guys, this is what it looks like installed. It just, there's 4 clips, one here, one here, one here, one here, and when you remove them, the clips, they stay where they are. So you got to take them out and slide them back into the little spot, and I'll show them that now. So this is what it looks like assembled. So obviously we still have to repair the shifter, because look, it should only go across when you push down to go in reverse, but it'll do it anytime unless you pull up on it, because it's got play in the socket. If you watch my center console video. Obviously the climate control needs to be removed in the radio before the ashtray can go back in, but I'm not going to do that until I repair the shifter assembly area. So I'll show you what it looks like when you remove it out. Okay, so even if the thing was here, you would kind of just pry up on this. You heard those clips? See the clips? They stay here. So you make sure you don't lose them. 1. There should be 4. 2 on the front as well. Try not to lose them, because when you reassemble, they slide on here. Here. There, and then 2 in the front as well. See there? But these didn't come out because those actually latch onto right there, those two holes there. This one and that one. But where that's not installed right now, because the order of this installation would be ashtray, climate control, and then radio. So that's why I still have the keys here, because I will be removing that. I just wanted everything to be plugged in. Also, the card and coin holder is repaired. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Okay guys, so here was the old mirror. This one had anti-dazzle, which I guess it's a reflective thing. The mirror I bought or got from the junkyard didn't have it. So I just put the connector back on, but pretty much this just clips in here. And you kind of just dig your fingers in and pry it out. And that's how the old one comes out. You can see where the clips are. They clip in around here. So I actually ended up buying a mirror, but the problem is I actually found a mirror at the junkyard and I was able to remove it without damaging it. So yeah, kind of a problem, I guess, right? Also, another issue with this car is the black cover under here is broken. So you can see it's just held in by 2 screws. So we'll remove those now. And that removes this black cover here. So this black cover here just has little tabs here. You just push them down. And there it is. Because we're not replacing this part. So what we want to do is install our new piece. I'm going to clean it up. Here's our clean piece. Slides in behind here. The back side has 2 straps, 2 clips. They slide in behind the mirror cover, like so. Then once you get down here, you kind of just, you'll feel it. Okay, it's on. So let's say you wanted to replace this. You need to replace take the whole entire door apart. Take the door frame out just to replace this cover here. And the assembly. So that's why just replacing the glass and any covers that are broken is definitely the way to go. It takes a little bit of time. Don't break anything. Take your time. It looks like there's more than 2 screws holding it in, but trust me, there isn't. This screw, it keeps everything together, these 2 screws. Don't over tighten them because it is plastic, the covers. So here we are. So we are not going to use this. So we are going to tuck it in behind this harness. Actually, we're going to attach it on the glass. As you can see, that's where it would go if you had a mirror that was anti-dazzle. That's what they call it. So what we do is we just attach this in here. Even though you're not using it, and then negative, positive doesn't really matter. You're just going to attach both. This is for your heated mirror. To reattach it, as you can see, this here slides in there. And then the mirror will just kind of clip into place. Take your time doing it, and there you're done. Some glass cleaner. Get some glass cleaner. We're going to tidy this area up. We'll make sure the mirror works. There we go. So it's working. Another trim piece we got to replace. We're going to be replacing this lower trim piece. As you can see, this lower trim piece has a hole right there because someone didn't know how to attach it. So they ended up just drilling a hole and damaging it. So I'll show you guys how to safely and properly remove this trim piece here to avoid damaging your car for no reason at all. Okay guys? So I'll show you how to do that now. All right, guys, it's very simple. To remove that trim, there's a screw right there, and there's a screw right there. So 2 Phillips screws. That's it. There's one. There's 2. And now, the way this is removed. So this is the back of the trim piece. So as you can see, there are notches here. So to remove it, you're gonna push it towards the back of the car. So I'll show you that now. If you just want to take a look, I'm just literally gonna pull this back. And there's your trim piece. Removed safely without damaging it. Okay? All right, guys. So to install our trim piece, I'll show you guys what it looks like on the front. As you can see, there's a bunch of notches that are here. They're just like little tabs that stick out. And what we could do is we'll clean this up first. I'm just using soap, water, and Vinegar. Okay? So what we do is just use our brush, clean this area nice. Again. Okay, done. Nice and clean. Now we just wipe this down. Everything's nice and clean. So I'm gonna get a little bit of undercoat and just protect the area. So, just a little bit of undercoat. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rub it in just to protect that metal and those little areas. There we go. So now looks good, and we can put our piece back on. So the way you do it, you can't have the door open, a door closed. The door has to be open. Okay, in this position here, as you can see, and you're gonna slide it slightly back from its position. Okay, and you'll see it'll go on like this, and then you're gonna slide it forward, and as you can see, it's on. You slide it forward, and now we can tighten those screws. So here's screw number 1. They don't need to be tight. Screw number 2. This is screw number 2. It goes right in there. Now you're done. You just replaced the trim on the door. And now this is the same for all the doors. All right, guys. Thanks for watching that video today where we put a new shifter knob onto the old boot, where we fixed the lower trim on the door, replaced it, and where we replaced the lower cover on the mirror and put a new piece of glass on. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. There's going to be more content on this Audi coming soon.